How you doing, man?
This is my creation. A gravedigger with 3 wheels. Hey, that's actually pretty good. Turtle flip.
Oh, we'll take it.
What's your mom's truck?
I'm sorry. I gotta get this down.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Hey, you served it. There you go. Yeah.
It works.
I didn't catch that, no.
Crazy. Oh, only a wee bit of grass there. Well, that worked. Worked out fantastically. This is why you don't want a car with 3 wheels, guys.
Walk of shame.
Ramp's kind of slick. Yeah!
That was awesome.
There's a ramp there.
You're telling your foot that.
Yeah. Wow. My feet are cold. What'd you do? What are you doing? What? Is it not wanting to turn one way?
No, whenever I go into reverse, it goes forward.
Oh, I had that problem with my EMAX a while ago.
Okay.
I think it's the deal in the back.
I think something got...
That's throttle. It's working. That's throttle.
The throttle again? Again? Okay.
Here you go.
Okay. I barely got to second.
One sec. This. You get to drive this thing more often than I do.
Not 3 wheels.
It's easy for you to take it apart. Ah.
Put a body clip on it, man. Here. Is it missing 1 or 2? 1. Okay.
I don't even.
Front one.
Yeah, it's not even in there. I'm not gonna bother with it.
Whatever. Hey, buddy. Oh.
That went far.
Go right and gun it. 1 sec. Go right and gun it.
Nope.
Okay.
Totally hit the ramp.
Yep, I saw that. Hey, he does. That's pretty good.
It's live straight.
He likes to land on the side light.
Yeah, right. Wonder why.
I don't know why. I see all 4 wheels. What are you talking about?
There's only supposed to be 3.
Yeah.
It's 3.
At least this car is durable. Says the one that broke it.
So you can only make left turns with it.
You can go right. I just like flipping it. That was so the ramp.
I know, right?
That's a good wheelie though. Sounds like your dog. Yeah, you hit the ramp alright.
Totally made it. See? It can actually go underneath it.
Yeah, that one. It's lifted. Yours is lowered.
I almost made it.
Okay, I want to try that one, so it's my turn.
1 second. Let me try that one more time.
That's leaf hanging off the back of the truck.
And the battery's
Battery.
falling out. Here.
They got unplugged.
I killed it.
I killed it first.
Yeah, I'm driving under my Suburban. No. Put it on the ramp. Alright, we'll get back.